Poultry farm management. Poultry is the rearing, breeding, and caring of domesticated birds like chicken, ducks, turkey, etc. for their meat or their eggs. However, the most preferred bird in the poultry industry is the domestic fowl or chicken, that is, Gallus domesticus. There are various other species of the fowls also that are reared worldwide for their meat and eggs. These are Gallus gallus, also known as red jungle fowl of India; Gallus sonority, commonly known as the grey jungle fowl; Gallus ayafayeti, commonly known as Ceylon jungle fowl; and Gallus varius, commonly known as Java jungle fowl. In India, poultry started over 5,000 years ago but was never practiced on large scale and remained as a household activity. However, poultry as an industry started only during 1950s. In the year 2011, India ranked third in the world in egg production and fifth in production of chicken meat. Poultry birds, generally known as fowls, are of two types. These are broilers and layers. First, let us learn about the broilers. Broilers are chickens that are exclusively grown for their meat. Generally, these birds grow very quickly in size. In poultry, the male birds are reared for their meat. However, females can also be reared for meat, but generally, they are reserved for laying eggs. Broilers are usually grown for a period of 6 to 7 weeks, during which they attain a weight of 1.5 to 2 kgs. Broilers usually are produced by crossing white Plymouth Rock with white Cornish. Some varieties of broilers include Anik 2000, Hupchick, Rosewencob, Caribro 91, etc. The second type of poultry birds are called as layers. These are the female fowls that are reared only for laying eggs. Generally, a female fowl lays eggs twice a week. In order to boost up the egg production, the fowls are injected with hormones. However, the eggs produced by this method are unfertile and are considered as vegetarian eggs. The fowls selected as layers are vaccinated regularly and their overall health is monitored. The fowls are debeaked time to time, in which the tip of the beak is trimmed to avoid and minimize injury during fight with other birds. These birds are given a fresh, balanced diet, complete in nutrients. If we see the life cycle of a laying fowl, the first stage is known as the brooding stage. The newly hatched chicks are very delicate and are unable to regulate body temperature, so the chicks are kept in special room called brooders. Here temperature is maintained constantly at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and high care and quality food is supplied to them. During this period, the fowls gain weight very quickly. This period lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. After the brooding stage comes the laying stage. The mature females start laying eggs after 22 weeks and continue for 12 to 15 months. When the layers are not able to lay sufficient number of eggs, they become uneconomical and are therefore sold to slaughterhouses. Poultry breeds. Some common breeds of chicken in India are Asil, Busra, Chittagong, Cochin, Brahmin, etc. However, some exotic breeds have also been introduced in India. These are Mediterranean breeds like Minorca, Andalusian, White Leghorn, etc. American breeds like Plymouth Rock, New Hampshire, Rhode Island Red, Wyandotte, etc. British breed like Australorp, Sussex, Cornish, Redcap, etc. There are also some crossbreed varieties of chicken which have high egg yielding rates like HH260, Pune Pearl, Gramapriya, Keystone, High Lion, etc. Some chickens serve both as broilers and layers. They are known as dual-purpose breeds like Plymouth Rock, New Hampshire, Rhode Island Red, etc. Care of poultry and poultry farm management. For the proper functioning of a poultry farm, certain aspects have to be kept in mind. First of all, the farms should have safe environment with proper enclosures along with proper ventilation. Second, for rearing and breeding, only disease-free breeds of poultry birds should be selected. Third, the farms should have proper feed and water facility. Fourth, proper health and hygienic conditions should be maintained and regular screening for disease outbreak should be done. Poultry feed. The fowls are generally fed on food grains like bran of rice and wheat, oil cakes, fish meal, bone meal, green vegetables, vitamins, minerals, and salt. Poultry diseases. To have a healthy flock of chickens, the poultry farmers should maintain proper hygienic conditions. These help to reduce the risk of infections and diseases from getting spread. However, due to intensive poultry farming and unhygienic conditions, fowls tend to get infected with a number of diseases. Some of the common poultry diseases that are generally found to attack the fowls are presented in the table. Bird flu. You must have heard about the bird flu. It is also known as avian influenza. It is a viral infection spread from bird to bird. It is caused by H5N1 influenza virus. It's deadly to most birds, and it's deadly to humans and other mammals that catch the virus from birds. Since the first human case in 1997, H5N1 has killed nearly 60% of the people who have been infected. Till date, no safe vaccine and medicine is available to eradicate the virus, as the virus is capable of undergoing repeated mutations.